Okay, now we're going to look at how to write the different vectors here in terms of the component form. So in order to do this, the first one's pretty easy. If we look at it, we start at 0, 0, and we move up to 12, 4. So if you look, we're going 12 to the right and 4 up. And the way that you would do that is you would take the ending coordinate minus the original coordinate, so it would be 12 minus 0, and then the other part would be 4 minus 0. So that gives us, for AB, it would be equal to 12, 4. They also want us to do one for BC, and you use the same strategy. This looks a little bit more confusing. We know the y coordinate is going to be negative, the x is going to be positive again. So if we do that, we use the same strategy. We start with the ending point, which is 16, and we subtract 12. And for the second part, we do 2 minus 4, because remember that's going to be negative. If we do that, we have 16 minus 12 is 4, and 2 minus 4 gives me a negative 2. So this would go 4 to the right and 2 down. They also want us to find vector AC, which is starting here and going all the way up to there. Hopefully you can see that one's pretty easy. It's 16 minus 0 and 2 minus 0. If we do that, the component form is 16, 2. And in the last part of this, I'm just going to go through all of these. The last part of these, we would do from A to D. And again, since we're starting at A, it's pretty easy. We would do 18 minus 0 and 5 minus 0. So that would give us, in component form, 18, 5. Okay, pretty easy stuff. So if we look, we want the component form of AB, component form of BC, and then we want the component form, oh, I'm sorry, they wanted CD. We can go back to that, though. Let's go back real quick. So we want from C to D. So let's do that. I thought they wanted AC. So let's do CD. So if we did that, again, we want something that goes up this way. So it would be 18 minus 16. And then 5 minus 2. So if we do that, that would give us 2, 3. That means we're going 2 to the right and 3 up. So again, going back to this, the first one, we've got from 0, 0 to 12, 4. So the work looks something like this. That should be a 12 there. So to go from 12, 4 to 16, 2, that would give us our 4, negative 2. And to go from C to D would be 2, 3, which we did. And for the last part, they want us to know going from A to D. In that case, going from A to D would be 18 minus 0 and 5 minus 0, which would give us our 18, 5. And that's it. Thank you.